My FabFitFun just arrived. See? And I am so excited because it is a huge box. I know what the box kind of looks like on the inside, but I wasn't expecting it to be this big because look, for instance, my BoxyCharm arrived also. And look how little this is compared. You see that? So I'll open this one in a little bit too. I have some more stuff, PR packages that I'll be opening in a little. Okay, so I'm trying to make this not a very long video, but oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look how huge that is. Okay, cool. Let's chon 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 chon. Okay. Hey, she's the chick that came out on Married with Children. $50 gift card. What? Okay. Have you 2 boxes, free shipping, use code blah 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 blah. Hello Fresh, claim within 30 days. Cool. Luna. I like these. These are pretty good. Enjoy $3 off 1 box of Luna. Use this discount code. So you guys can use that discount code. Cool. It says share with fun facts. Here it is, y'all. Okay, I get a beauty blender. Is this the regular size beauty blender? Probably mine is big because it's been washed and, you know, used so much. But I suppose that is the right size. So I just want to put it somewhere. Okay, put it here. Okay. I got an umbrella. What? This is sweet. Nice umbrella. Okay. I got the Blue and Capri shower gel. What's this? Okay. Glam Glow bubble sheets, oxygenated deep cleansing masks. Okay. A Luna bar that I will be eating right now. Grown Alchemist. This is the polishing facial exfoliant. Grown Alchemist. I also got the Do It All Pharmacy, which is an eye cream. Most certainly be using. I will definitely use this. I will use it all up, let me tell you. So this says Total Eye Cream, Do It All. It's 15 milliliters. So it's like 3 cc's and no, 15 mLs. Delivered fresh. What is this? I am definitely going to use this every single night, let me tell you, because I have heard wonderful things about this. So I cannot wait to get into it. Oh man, I wish I didn't get the French press coffee maker because I don't know that I would ever use this. Oh, darn it. It's okay. I mean, this would make a good, you know, gift for someone that might want it, that might want to use it, or will use it. Huh. And it's a nice size, too. I did get the Simply Whimsical towel. These are like 2 towels that are very nice. I don't know that these will stay this nice here at my house with 4 children, but we'll see. These are very nice. And last but not least, I got the Vince Camuto bag. You guys, I got the black one. Yes! I'm so happy. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that. Leather, and it smells delish. FabFitFun. I love you guys. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you so much, FabFitFun. This is my very first FabFitFun unboxing. I know that I was one of the late people to get this box, but I'm so excited. I still wanted to share with you all. Well, I'll be opening some other boxes soon, so I hope you come back to my channel to watch those. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. I forgot to add that these are the prices for these things, and these are all full size. The Beauty Blender, $20. The towels were $14.99. The Blue and Capri multi-purpose shower gel is $22. The Glam Glow were $18. The Luna Bar, I guess they didn't give a Luna Bar price because there was only one in there. The umbrella, $39.99. Oh my gosh. The coffee press, $22. The Grown Alchemist Polish Face Exfoliant with the pink grapefruit and glucosamine extract is $67. Wow, that's crazy. And the Do It All Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream was $38. I got like the most expensive stuff. You know what? I am gonna try this French press because, hey, it might be time to make a change, right? You guys, I'm very excited for everything that I received. I'm very, very happy. Like I said again, this is from Fall FabFitFun. I hope y'all enjoyed. Subscribe if you can. It's an amazing subscription box. You can also check out other subscription boxes at mysubscriptionaddiction.com. I will be reviewing other unboxings soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.